Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Ahmed Mustafa and today we're gonna learn how to solve bandit game levels, the initial levels. Okay, first of all let's read the content. Bandit game is a very awesome game for practicing the commands of Linux. So if you wanna practice it, practice makes the effect. Okay, so we have this. The goal of this level for you is to log into the game using the SSH, and the SSH is a command that we use to connect to a network. So SSH stands for secure shell. I recommend you to be familiar with this command SSH. The host to which you need to connect bandit.labs.overthewire.org. So we have the host. Okay, this is the host, bandit.labs.overthewire. On board 2220. We have the port number. The user is bandit 0. I also have the user. So now we have two things: the host name and the username. Then the password is bandit 0. So three information are given: the host, the username, and the password. Once logged in, go to level 1 page to find out how to beat level 1. Okay, commands you may need to solve this level: SSH. So we have this command that you may need to solve this level, the SSH command, which we will use. Helpful reading materials, secure shell on Wikipedia. You can search on Google. You can Google that to know about SSH command. That will be helpful, but I already know it, so let's jump to the terminal. Let's jump to the terminal and use the SSH command. And we have the username is bandit 0 and the host bandit dot labs dot over the wire .org. The port number, we're going to specify the port number using the switch P 2220 and press enter. You're going to be asked for the full fingerprint and type yes. We're going to be asked for the password, which has been given for us previously: bandit 0. Press enter. You see this greeting screen which tells you successfully log in as this user bandit 0. So you are connected. You can type the reset command to clear the screen. Okay, now we're gonna see what is inside this username using the ls command. To type ls readme, we have this file called readme, and we're not sure what does this file contain yet, so we're gonna navigate to the next level from level 0 to level 1. We're gonna see the instructions here. The password for the next level is stored in a file called readme. Okay, so the password is stored in a file called readme located in the home directory, which we found previously. Use this password to log into bandit 1 using SSH. So we're gonna use SSH again over and over throughout all levels. Whenever you find the password for a level, use SSH. So we're gonna continuously repeatedly use SSH on port number 2220 to log that level. Continue again. Okay, commands you may need to solve this level: ls command, which we have used already; cd for change directory, cat file, du, and find. So let's go back to the terminal. We type the ls command to see the content. We have already readme file, so we use cat command to read the content of the file readme. Press enter, and now we have the password because the password is stored in this file, so we are able to read that. So copy that and let's exit using the exit command to log into bandit 1 next level. So again we use SSH command, but here we are going to use bandit 1, which is the next level, bandit 1, and here we're going to be asked for the password. paste the password that we have copied previously, and you will see this greeting message again, reset command. Okay, now we're gonna use again the ls command to see the content. What do we have? Ls, we have this file, this weird file, hyphen. We don't know what this hyphen means, but we're gonna look here, navigate to the next level. The password for the next level is stored in a file called hyphen, located in the home directory. Okay, these are the commands you may use like the previous command. Here are the reading materials that you can Google. In Google, in the internet, you can search about dashed file name. So this type of file is called dashed file name. You can search on Google about it, how to read the content of this file name. Okay, terminal. So if you try the cat command to this file, the cat command will not return anything because it is not familiar with that type of file. So Control C to terminate the command, and use cat /hyphen. Like this, this is how we read the dashed file name. So if you have any dashed file name with these things, this type, we can just use cat /hyphen, press enter, and you should be able to see the content of the file, which is the password for the next level. So we copy this, and we exit command, clear the screen, and now let's navigate to the next level. Sorry, clear SSH. Now we go use that password for Bandit 2. The password, we paste the password we have copied previously and press enter. You should see the greeting again, reset command, and let's navigate here to this level 2. The password for the next level is stored in a file called spaces in this file name. So this is a standalone file name. These are not multiple files. This is only one file, spaces in this file name. And in Linux or any other operating system, we know that the file name must not contain space and underscore and such things. So in the home directory. So if you want to read the content of this file using the cat command, let's try that here. Cat, or before we try this, let's type the ls command to see the content. We already have that file. One file spaces in this file name. Okay, let's try to cat that command, spaces in this file name. So cat will treat this command, this file as multiple files, as 1, 2, 3, 4 files. So it doesn't work like this. So we must do something like that. We can use two ways. I'm going to use the easiest one, which is using the quotation marks to read the content of the file. So we use the quotation marks and spaces in this file name. And here we go, we have the password. This is how we read the content of if the file name contains spaces. You can use other way. You can search for it in the internet as we given here, spaces in file name. So now we have already read the content of the file. We have the password for the next level, so you can use it to Bandit 3 level. So I'm going to end this video with this level. We're going to continue with the later videos, inshallah. So this is when the video ends. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe and like button, and thank you. I hope you enjoy the video. Allah, see you next time, and thank you.